Sanju Samson. Didn't you? Hardik Pandya started what, 2015? Come along, Abhishek. Come along. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Oh, Vaibhav, wow. You were still such a young man. And there you are in front of all these people. What is the feeling about going out and playing in that IPL then?
Hi everyone, great evening to everyone. Coming back to your question, sir, I think, a young boy coming from Kerala, playing few Ranji Trophy games. I think games getting over in 1.5, 2-day games. 4 दिन का मैच 2 दिन में ख़त्म हो जा रहा था. Under 19 ख़त्म हो गया था, so I'm like, okay, what else can I do? So that's when Rahul sir invited me for the trials at RR with Sri Bhai and Zubin Bharucha being there. And from there, like, life completely changed. I kind of upskilled my game. I kind of learned a lot from lot of the players in the squad, and it gave me a great opportunity to learn about the game and also how to be as a human being as well. So I think surrounded by some really special people, it really helped me to develop my game and develop myself as well. So yes, IPL was a game changer in my life.
Your first 6 in the IPL, do you remember that?
First
You hit so many. You remember the first one?
should be over the covers, is it?
Against Punjab?
Yes.
And the bowler was...
बहुत टाइम हो गया सर, भूल गया.
See what happened? Did you say Manpreet Goni?
No.
Oh, okay, I don't know. The answer I was given was Manpreet Goni, so
Okay, that's wrong actually.
just shows that he hit so many sixes and he remembers all of them himself. Hardik, that first time when you went out, had you ever played in front of 40, 50,000 people before?
Not really, but I think it was very exciting, to have an opportunity at such a big stage, coming from Baroda, seeing so much love and affection for the sport, and getting the opportunity playing for Mumbai Indians was already a dream. And when I went out there, it was just enjoying every moment, watching the ball, remembering why I'm here, and I think that just helped me on that night and post onwards to my career.
Abhishek, you remember your first ball? First ball in the IPL?
Yes, I still remember. I was sitting with him only, Mohammad Siraj. I still remember my first ball was, I hit a shot over mid-off. I still remember my first
The
shot.
first of many.
Yes.
Who was your captain, do you remember?
Of course, our coach, Mr. Gautam Gambhir, he was the captain. And then Shreyas was there.
आपकी पहली बॉल कहाँ गई गेंद?
बहुत दूर.
सर LSG के अगेंस्ट मेरा डेब्यू हुआ था, तो फर्स्ट बॉल पे मैंने ओवर कवर्स मारा था छक्का. तो
और आपके कोच जो थे वो यहाँ बैठे हैं, वो खुद डेढ़ दिन बैटिंग करते थे. 1-2 ऐसे नहीं, 1.5 दिन बैटिंग करते थे, कभी कभी 2 दिन बैटिंग करते थे. उनसे क्या बातचीत हुई कि मैं जाके पहला बॉल 6 मारूंगा?
सो मैच से पहले दिन में संजू भैया और सर ने बुलाया था मुझे रूम में और पूछ रहे थे मेरे से क्या करना है. तो मैंने बोला भी था कि सर कुछ करना नहीं है, मिलेगा तो अगर मारने का बोले तो मारूंगा.
I was there in the meeting. Can I interrupt actually? So sir invited him to the room. Like, Sanju, we need to talk to him. Very young kid. We have to tell him how to go about it. So Rahul sir asked, Vaibhav, what's the plan? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर, हम तो खेलेंगे. तो क्या ऐसा है? No, what is your game plan? Like, अगर हमें पहला मिला तो हम पहला ही उड़ा देंगे. That is what exactly he did actually. So I'm like, भाई ये अलग वीडियो गेम ही खेल रहे हैं.
अभिषेक, फाइनल में आपके हो गए 50-18 गेंदों में. सनराइजर्स वर्सेस आरसीबी, वही फॉर्म, वही अप्रोच. अभी छोटे बच्चे अगर पहला बॉल 6 मार रहे हैं तो आपको तो
नहीं सर, ऑफ कोर्स अगर वैभव को अगर आप उसकी बैटिंग देखो तो वो मैच नहीं कोई कर सकता. बट स्टिल आई फील अभी इट्स द डिमांड ऑफ द गेम कि आपको फेयरलेस जाना पड़ता है फर्स्ट 6 ओवर्स. एंड दैट्स हाउ आई मीन वेयर एवर आई प्लेड आई ऑलवेज ट्राई कि मैं पहले 6 ओवर्स में जितना भी हो सकता है टीम को फ़ायदा मिले और आई जस्ट गो विद द प्लान.
it's interesting. You've seen so much. You've seen phenomenal success to the extent that Sanju said in an interview, everyone was looking at you and he's saying, am I playing as well? And then there was a little dip. How do you retain fearlessness and that aggression if things are not quite going your way the odd time?
I mean, sir, it was very difficult to be very honest. It wasn't easy because it never happened with me even in my younger days as well. But I think I have always mentioned my teammates and coach and everyone because they was the one like they were helping me a lot because I was doubting myself every day. Every zero I was doubting that why is this happening to me. But still, I still remember all the memories that throughout that tournament I was having. Everyone was coming to me. The only thing they were saying me, we believe in you. You are just one inning away. Just try to follow the process and keep the smile on. And that's what I was trying. And finally, it happened on the main day. So everything just.
It looks like, Sanju, you're going to be opening the batting with another young kid who was up on stage just now. Not quite Abhishek. Someone like an Ayush Matre. What conversations will you have with him? Or will it be like Vaibhav?
Nowadays, I kind of feel that there is no need to tell them what to do or what not to do. Actually, you just stand at the non-striker end and ask them what they want to do. So with Vaibhav also, I batted in a game against CSK and we are chasing a score. So he looked more clearer than I was actually. So nowadays people are in different zone actually. So we just let them free and be what they want to be. That's the best place to be in IPL. So just sit back and be there for them. If they are expecting something out of you, then be ready with your answers. That's what you can do.
Tim wants to hit the first ball for 6. आपके क्या गोल्स हैं इस साल आईपीएल में? ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो आप हासिल करना चाहो इस साल?
सर इस बार यही गोल है कि ट्रॉफी जीतता है टीम के लिए और सब प्रैक्टिस भी काफ़ी अच्छा चल रहा है और काफ़ी सब कॉन्फिडेंस में भी लग रहा है तो होपफुली इस बार ट्रॉफी हम लोग जीतेंगे।
कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको 3 सवाल करता हूँ, उसमें से 3 चीज़ें बताता हूँ आपको। आप बताइए उसमें से सबसे ख्वाहिश आपकी किस चीज़ की होगी? 6 सिक्सेस इन एन ओवर। क्रिस गेल आपकी तरह लेफ्ट हैंडर थे, उन्होंने 175 बनाए थे आईपीएल में, या फिर फास्टेस्ट आईपीएल 100? वैसे सेकंड फास्टेस्ट किसने किया आपको पता है?
मैंने ही किया है।
तो इन 3 चीज़ों में सबसे ख्वाहिश क्या होगी आपकी?
सर वही 175 का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने का।
बाएं हाथ के वो जरूर आ जाएंगे, वो वैसे ही शख्सियत है, वो आप आ जाएंगे। Hair is going to be the same color for the IPL?
Yes. I think I'm not enjoying the black, so I'll keep this.
Okay, I've got some quick questions for all of you, just for everyone's curiosity. I'll start with you, Abhishek. Same question for all of you. Do you remember the first phone you ever owned? First phone, first phone.
Phone.
My generation's was a telephone, chhod do, mobile phone.
I still remember we were playing under 12, under 14, I guess. So Samsung, it was Samsung. But let me tell you one thing: only one player had iPhone that time, and that was Shubman in our team. So I still remember he was the guy with iPhone, I think 4 or something. But I had Samsung. I remember.
Sanju?
Motorola flip ones.
Motorola.
वैसे कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि अंडर 16s को सोशल मीडिया बैन होना चाहिए, तो वैभव को फोन देना चाहिए कि नहीं देना चाहिए?
उसके पास 2 है अभी।
अगर मैं पूछूं पहला कौन सा था, वो तो अभी का था। Your first video game?
First video game. I think everybody must have played that Cricket 07 EA Sports. That was my first game.
GTA Vice City.
WWE.
फर्स्ट वीडियो गेम आपका?
सर मैं वीडियो गेम खेलते ही नहीं हूँ।
क्योंकि आपका क्रिकेट लोग कहते हैं वीडियो गेम की तरह ही है।
क्रिकेट ही वीडियो गेम खेल रहे हैं।
ना ही खेलो, बल्ले से गेंद को ही मारते रहो। Your cricketing idol growing up, Abhishek?
Cricket idol?
Yeah.
Yuvraj Singh.
Sanju?
Sachin sir.
Wasim Jafar.
ब्रायन लारा एंड युवराज सिंह।
Growing up, your favorite movie or your favorite actor? Growing up, I mean, you're still growing up, but...
Favorite movie was 3 Idiots for sure. I really enjoyed that movie. And actor, it's always getting changed. Depends on the movie I'm watching.
कोई बात नहीं, 3 Idiots will go with.
Mine any movie of Rajnikant sir.
Any movie of?
Rajnikant sir.
My choice is odd, but I really loved Godzilla. So went to see Godzilla in Upper Deck. Actor name.
आप?
धुरंधर सर। धुरंधर।
Okay. Okay. The first player who played a prank on you in the IPL. Do you remember?
I think first, I don't remember, but I still remember a lot of pranks from Ishan. He's a big prankster in SRH, so I can't name one, but his...
सच ईशान? नहीं, लग रहा है कोई दाल में काला है यहाँ पे. Is he a prankster?
Yeah, big one.
You're a prankster yourself?
Little bit sometimes.
Come on, Hardik. Who played the first prank on you?
I think it was Ricky Ponting. He said that, I think this was a prank only in my eyes. I got excited because I won my first couple of man of the matches. And that point of time, I was on a 10 lakh contract. So he actually told me that this money goes to you. So actually, I calculated what I'm going to do with this money. And then later, I got to know that this actually gets, kind of divided between the group. So yeah, that was a little bit prank.
Okay, he's still too young to ask him about who pranked him. So thank you very much. I hope you have a fantastic IPL, all of you, because it's a tournament that defines all of us. It's a tournament that brings all of us so much joy, and it's round the corner.